So ladies class final hit here in Erica City. So nandyan Saira Paco, Shara Tamayo, Pia Gabriel, Janelle Saolog. Sino yung iba dyan? Hindi ko kilala yung iba dyan guys. Sorry po.
Jason B. Soino. Hello po ka.
Ayan na, binitawan na. Wow, Saira Paco versus Shara Tamayo. Oops. Oy, naka 250 si Saira. Wow. Wow! Oy! Saira Paco versus Shara Tamayo versus Pia Gabriel. 250 ginamit si Saira ito guys. 250. Si Blaze yung ginamit dito. Hindi si Turbo. Wow. Wow, Shana, Saira, Pia. Woo! For Janelle Saolog. And sino to? Iba dito guys. Wow! Shana Tamayo on appeal. Saira Paco, Pia Gabriel. Wow! Ganda ng cut. Wow. Ayun no, smooth na smooth yung mga babae guys. Part 8 Janelle Saolog. Wow. Ladies open, first hit. Ayun lang. Wow, wag mo tirahin. Nawala si Pia. What happened? So, Shana Tamayo, Saira Paco on second. Wow. Ayun o. Wow. Ang agila ng Zamboanga, Saira Paco, sumusunod kay Shana Tamayo. Wow, grabe ang layo. Ayun o. Saira Paco. Oh! Wow. Unti-unti lang lumalayo si Shana Tamayo. Pia Gabriel on third. Janelle Saolog on fourth. Wow. Sino to? Wow. So second Saira Paco, third Pia Gabriel. Breakaway na si Shana Tamayo. Fourth it's Janelle Saolog. Ayun o. Shana may breakaway na Shana Tamayo. Shana Tamayo breakaway. Ayun o. Wow. Hop. Careful, baby. Double. Grabe. Shana Tamayo breakaway from Team Gojisan Orca Philippines. Wow. Approaching uphill, Saira Paco. Siya na tamayo, ang layo na. Grabe. Step up. So, sayro pa ako 1 second. Yun, no? Wow! Pia Gabriel on time! Yun, no? Yun na sa loob. So white flag for Shana Tamayo. White flag, white flag. White flag for Shana Tamayo. White flag. White flag, white flag, white flag. White flag, white flag. So, sayra pa ako. 1 second. Shana Tamayo. Breakaway na kanina pa. Wow. Wow! Grabe si Blaze mulipad. Grabe si Blaze mulipad, oh. Shana Tamayo is in downhill. Sayra pa ako approaching uphill. Ayun, oh. Shana Tamayo. Wow. Oh, Sayra pa ako. So, champion Shana Tamayo. 1-1 champion ladies category. Erin Iriga City. Second, ang batang Agila, Zaira pa ako. Ayun. That is Pia Gabriel. Pia Gabriel on third. Fourth is General Solog. Where's General Solog?